Hello there, welcome back. Today I will tell you how to draw this cone ice cream easily. So let's get started. So first let's draw a slanting line. From here let's draw another line a little bit bigger. From here to here let's draw a bumpy line. And repeat the same here. For the ice cream scoops, now I'm going to draw 3 curves. Now let's draw eyes and mouth on the scoops. Let's draw 3 different expressions on these 3 scoops. Now let's draw 2 parallel lines for the choco stick and draw curvy lines on the top. And now let's color this. Okay buddies, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.